Hello everyone, today we're talking about the Akko CS Sakuras. I found these to be a nice budget clacky linear that I purchased on Amazon for $17. They're in a nice packaging like always, and included were 45 switches that have a dustproof stem. The specs are all on the back, but if we're looking at the gist of it, they're a light linear spring, it's extended 22mm, and on the bottom housing they're 3-pin. From first impression, I really like how they feel. They're something I'm not used to since it's a light linear, but over time it felt really nice to type on. They're not fatiguing, but I would say that I always found myself mistyping because of how light they were. One of my favorite things about Akko is that they're always nice in presentation. The main reason why I chose these was that I always have switches that are 62 or 67 gram springs, so it's a nice change up for once. One of my biggest gripes with these types of switches is that the dustproof stem is very hard to lube with. I don't like how when you're lubing them, you really feel awkward just holding the whole thing in general. So I'm not going to be lubing them for this video. Also because I'm lazy. Anywho, the bottom of these switches are a nice change for once, being that they are palm. The spring is a 22mm extended long spring, and they seem to be around 39 grams. The stem is a dustproof style stem, and it's also palm. And lastly, for the top, we have a polycarbonate top. I hope you guys enjoyed this small review of the Switch. I do appreciate the bottom of the housing being palm, which gives it kind of a different approach than usual. Otherwise, these are very nice and smooth, and if you're looking for a nice linear, you really can't go wrong with these. That's all I have for you today, and until next time.